purpose of this video is to show you how the Feller template sets work. You will enjoy using these templates to create dozens of different mask characters. The templates are designed to get you off to a good start. Your mask will be one of a kind. Just follow these simple instructions. All you need are paper, scissors, glue, and a pencil. In this video, we are going to show you how to make a delightful little dog mask. Fold a piece of 12 by 18-inch construction paper in half lengthwise. Place the straight edge of the template along the folded edge of the construction paper and draw around the template. Draw around any other template pieces. Cut out the head shape. Don't forget the mouth. Open the mask and fold the brow and jaw section over the base and crease at the top of the head. This is your basic mask shape. Recrease the center fold lines so that both the head section and the brow and jaw section of the mask are in a mountain fold. Place a drop of glue on each tip of the brow. Glue the tips of the brow in place. Fold a colored piece of paper in half. Cut out the ears. In most cases, the ears should be glued to the back side of the mask. Trace around the template or make up your own nose shape. And glue in place. Use 3 different colors of construction paper to make the different parts of the eyes: eyeball, iris, and pupil. Fold a white piece of paper in half and cut out 2 eyeballs.
Is that not
and glue in place. Fold a colored piece of paper in half and cut out 2 irises. And glue in place. And fold a black piece of paper in half and cut out 2 pupils. And glue in place. Add details to make a fantastic mask. Use your imagination. The sky's the limit. Basically, all the masks in our template sets are made the same way. Whether you're making a lion or a sun, a wizard or a chef, butterflies or birds, they are all cut from folded pieces of paper. Check our website, fellersartsfactory.com, for more ideas. And remember the Fellers Arts Factory motto: don't hesitate, participate, cut, glue, and decorate. Have fun!